Hey guys, it's me Mercy and I am back with another video. I do apologize for how long it's taken me to upload, but I've been without my laptop for the past almost 3 weeks, which did kind of mess up my routine a little bit, but I'm hoping to get right back on track. So for this video, I'll be recreating this makeup look right here. I had a photo shoot earlier this month and that was the look that I did for the shoot. When I posted that picture on Instagram, I asked my followers if they would like to see a video for the look. A lot of people said yes, so here's the video. But if you do want to see more pictures like the one I showed or my photo shoot pictures, make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can look me up by my name or by my handle, which is @thismercychick. But let's get started. As usual, my face priming and brows have been done off camera, and this video also features my other full face routine, which differs from my previous full face video because of the fact that I'm doing a both eye. And with that, I like doing my eyeshadow before the rest of my face so that any fallout that may happen doesn't affect my foundation. And for the purpose of recording these first two full face videos, I am showing you guys each and every step in my routine because sometimes I do like skipping some steps here and there, which you guys may see in future videos. So before I even start anything, I'll be setting my face with my Buttercup setting powder. Because 1, my face is oily, and 2, to catch any fallout from my eyeshadow. And my nose gets the oiliest throughout the day, so that's where most of the powder will be going. So next is my concealer, and I'll be using N Wild Photofocus. And this is shade 842B. So with this look, I'll be using both of my Juvia's Place palette, the Magic and Masquerade. I'll be combining the shades Nana and Sacha on my upper lid. Next, I'll be using this dark blue shade, or maybe it's like a dark violet shade, as my transition between this orange on my upper lid and the vibrant blue that's going to be on my actual eyelid. To help with that blend, I go back with my first 2 shades to just buff it out. And next, with my Masquerade palette, I will be using this vibrant blue shade right here, called Dahlia, and just packing that onto my eyelid. So I'm done with this for now, but I will be coming back to my eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and dust this all off and then go on to my foundation. And I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r in shade 450. Next is my highlighting process, and I'll be using the 2 shades Beautiful Bronze and Toffee. setting my face again, and this is not like before. This time I'll really be pressing the powder into my skin to, you know, like I said, really set my face, make sure nothing moves. Contouring portion of my face, and as usual I'm using my Aesthetica contour palette, mixing the two darkest shades together. And for my nose I'll be using the medium darkest shade. So to clean up my setting powder, I'll be mixing my foundation shade and the second lightest shade. And going back to my eyeshadow, I'll be taking the shade Sacha along my lower lash line, and then with the blue shade I'll be going like directly on my lash line. So next is my blush, and I'll be using my Wet n Wild Coloricon brush in 328B. So this recently broke, but I really do like the shade, so I use it anyways. For my mascara, I'll be using Lash Domination and Max Volume on my upper lashes, and Falsies Push-Up Angel on my lower lashes. And as you guys know, my favorite part, my highlighter, Wet n Wild Megaglo in Crown of my Canopy. And finally is my setting spray, and like I said in the last video, I put my Wet n Wild matte finish in here. I always think I'm done when I get to my setting spray, but I always forget about my lip gloss or my lips. But for that, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Honestly, one of my favorite lip glosses that I've ever owned. So we're at the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching how this look was achieved. I love doing it for the shoot, and I love being able to recreate it for you guys. And if you do want to see more pictures of the different looks that I do, or my photo shoot pictures, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where all of that goes. And like I said earlier, you can find me by my name or by my handle at @thismercychick. And as usual, don't forget to like and comment. You guys know that I love your comments. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon.